Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to find my comments on LinkedIn. So this one is pretty simple and straightforward, so bear with me. First thing you will have to do in order to find your comments is going over to your profile picture right here and click on Posts and Activity under the Manage. So Posts and Activity, and now here you should see all of your activity. Now I have only two filters right here, posts and comments. You should see multiple. In order to see your comments, you have to click on it, click on comments, and you should see how it lights up green. And now you can see all of your comments that you have made on LinkedIn on this profile. It is really this simple to find your own comments. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.